Fix 1. Check the network connection. Step 1. Open the settings on your iPhone, select General, and then choose Reset. Step 2. Select Reset Network Settings, enter your password, and confirm the reset. Step 3. After the reset is complete, your iPhone will automatically restart. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi network and attempt the backup again. Fix 2. Free up iCloud storage space. Step 1. Open the settings on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID, and then select iCloud. Step 2. Check the usage of your iCloud storage space. If your available space is less than the size of your backup data, you need to free up some space. You can free up iCloud storage space in the following ways. Delete unnecessary iCloud backups. In the iCloud settings, select Manage Storage, then choose Backups. You will see all your iCloud backups, and you can select one or more backups, then click Delete Backup. Purchase more iCloud storage space. If you find your iCloud storage space insufficient, you can choose to purchase more space. In the iCloud settings, select Manage Storage, then choose Change Storage Plan. You can select an appropriate storage plan based on your needs and follow the prompts to make the payment and confirm the upgrade. Fix 3. Resign Apple ID. Step 1. Open Settings, then tap on your name. Scroll down and click Sign Out. Step 2. Enter your Apple ID password, then tap Turn Off. Step 3. Reopen Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Step 4. Enter your Apple ID and password, then tap Sign In. Fix 4. Disable iCloud Backup. Step 1. Go to Settings and tap on your name. Step 2. Navigate to the iCloud option and select iCloud Backup. Step 3. Within this menu, toggle off the iCloud Backup option. Fix 5. Update iOS. Step 1. Open Settings, go to General, and select Software Update. Step 2. Check for available updates, and if there are any, click Download and Install. Step 3. Enter your password and follow the prompts to complete the update. Fix 6. Restart the iOS device. Step 1. Long press the power button until the Slide to Power Off prompt appears, then swipe right to turn off your device. Step 2. Wait for a few seconds, then long press the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Release the power button and wait for your device to restart. Fix 7. Contact Apple support. If none of the previously mentioned methods addresses your issue, you may need to contact Apple support for professional assistance. You can find Apple support's contact information in Settings, Your Name, Apple ID Support, or visit Apple's official website and choose the appropriate service category and channel. Fix 8. Backup iPhone with Coolmuster iOS Assistant. If you can't fix the iPhone backup failed notification via the methods above, you can backup iPhone to computer with Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your computer, then launch it. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable, and follow the prompts on your device to trust this computer. Step 2. Wait for the program to recognize your device. Once successfully recognized, you will see the main interface, as shown in the figure below, with all different folders arranged on the main screen. Step 3. Select the specific file category you want to back up, choose the content you want to export, and click the Export button.